Well, Mommy's trying to catch one. Look, Joel, she got one. Oh,
Go slow, it
shucks.
might come back again. Oh, here, swing it over. I'll take that off.
Jody's been catching a bunch of pike here. We're on Hooch Lake. Joel's ready with the pliers. So if we get one,
What does it have?
and then she's been getting them on this top water. You got it. Jeez. This is how Jody's been doing it. Cast after cast.
All right, Joe, here's one for you to play with.
Right.
Great job, Jody.
Thank you.
You can flip that bail.
Oh, yeah.
It's all wet.
It's all wet, isn't it, Joe?
Slippy, slimy.
Yet another northern for Jody.
Oh, and I was cut.
I've lost count. I'm well into the double digits.
Well into 4
You can wind that up.
I'm well into more sandwiches.
We made Jody catch 5 sandwiches before she could, or catch 5 fish before she could have a sandwich.
Open this
It didn't take her very long because she caught a fish on her first cast